Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to doing a review on this air purifier. It's by a company called iTvanila. I think that's how you pronounce it. This was sent to me to review, so I'm going to give you my honest feedback. And I will also put a link where you get more information. Currently, it's got 57 reviews. It's got 4.5 out of 5 stars, so that's a good thing. But more importantly, I want to share with you how it worked for me. So this is the product, nice product. If you're okay with a darker color unit, then I think it looks nice. So it certainly would give it a nice look in the environment that you're in. How it works is another thing, and I look forward to sharing that with you. It's got this 2-prong plug, and then this plugs into the back, and I'll talk about all the features and highlights. First, just wanted to share just a few things with you. Obviously, you got the box and the manual, which is very nice. It's detailed very well, easy to read. It's a good size font, so nice job there. In the box, nice gift box as well, if you are looking to give this as a gift. So a little bit about the company. It is their technology for your house than ever and transform the way we live. Make your home stay more healthy, more comfortable, feel like living in closer to nature. It's got 3-in-1 filtration, fine, preliminary, true HEPA, and activated carbon filter. It's whisper quiet, it says, but I'll turn it on so you can hear. It's got child safety lock and a comfortable LED nightlight. As you'll see also on the website there, it's the coverage is 107 to 320 square feet. And I will put more of the specifics that the company has put out as far as the decibels and all the other information there. It is, as far as certification, it's ETL certification. It says here voltage 120 volts. The manufacturer date of this was 2018. So when you do get it, the filter is here on the bottom. They make it very easy to change the filter out. You'll see here it's got this line here for lock and unlock. And then all you do is just turn this, open the cap, and it just has the instructions there. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And then this pulls out, and this is the filter. So I'll put a link as well to the filter. So should you want to order additional ones as well, which obviously you're going to want to, you can see it does have a little bit of dust there on the bottom from it filtering there. And then to set it back up, you just line up the unlock with the, so you just put it to open and lock. And that's it. On the bottom, it's got 3 rubber pieces, so it will stay on the floor, not scratch the surface, so you're good there. Let me go ahead and plug it in. So first of all, you have the power on and off. So that's on. Now this speed here is on low, and it's not that loud. This is medium speed, and that is on the highest. Now that's not, to me, whisper quiet, but what I do is I just keep it on the middle setting and it's fine for me. The other thing is it has an LED light, so you can adjust the LED lighting. And I know it's a little harder with the lighting in here, but it does have an LED light. So depending upon if you want to show that, I turn that off. And then it also has on top there, it's got an indicator if the filter needs to be replaced. And then it has a lock feature, so you just hold the button down, and now it's locked. And so your little kitties can't press the button, or if you accidentally get an animal to touch it, then they won't be able to press any of the buttons. It, stays locked. Let me go ahead and lock it again. So you can see I can't even change the speed. I can't press anything. Again, just press it down for 3 seconds. That locks it, unlocks it, and then you're good there. So I have used it the past 2 weeks. Kept it on the floor. I live in a pretty big area. It's almost like a studio setup down here, but I have this more in my bedroom area. And underneath my chair that I'm sitting, before I started using it, I had a lot of dust underneath, and I seem to get a lot of dust. I know you get it from your skin, your dry skin, and also maybe for carpeting. So I will say that I have noticed a bit of a difference since I've been using it. I looked underneath the chair while I see a little bit of dust. It's not to the level that I normally see. And I have noticed too, when I'm down here, it does feel like it is a little fresher. I can't say that I would notice a huge difference. Maybe I've gotten used to it, but I do think that it has added freshness to the air. I don't have any allergy issues, so I can't really speak of issues with allergies. But overall, as far as the smell, I think I've seen improvement a little, maybe in a little bit with the dust. Just looking on my table again and table there, I see a little bit of dust. So that's what I can share with you. I think that it's affordable for the price point. I know these can get expensive. Certainly with a brand I've not heard of. If I was looking to buy it, I would, I'm not sure that I would go and buy it, but with me having to use it now myself, I could say that I would probably recommend it to people, and it is a nice looking unit as well. So that's what I can share with you from my experience. If I had allergies, then I would really be able to share with you how that has helped, but I do notice, again, that I feel like the air is fresher within the area where I sleep. This is bigger than a 320 square foot area, so maybe I'm not getting the full impact of it. Maybe that's why, but wanted to just share this with you. And what I'll do is perhaps try another smaller area at some point to see how I notice a difference there. But the reviews seem to be very positive as well. Do check those out. Click on the link, and of course, you can put any questions. I'll put all the specifics down below in the description, and I'll try and answer any questions you have. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to share the highlights with you, share the experience, and I appreciate the company sending this to me to put it to the test, review, and share with you. So thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.